And my Tesla
340 lost
might
today.
get arrested. She's sitting on my new shit. We still getting messy. Playing Anita.
Alright, man, as real as it gets, 340 lost today. I got consolidated out from the trade. It was getting later in the session, so I de-risk on this trade. I risked less money in this trade, but everything was live traded. Everything was sent out there. As you can see, as real as it gets. But what do we see in here? Our losses are always smaller than our winners. The last time we took a trade was 1.5k in profit. So that's how it goes, man. That's just trading, okay? And you know, losses can happen, and I'm not one of those traders who doesn't show losses, okay? I show the reality. I always show the reality, but what I am saying is your losses must be smaller than your winners, and your winners must be bigger than your losses, okay? It's that simple. And you have to know when to risk more and when to risk less. Today I risked less because it was getting later in the session. This is 10:41, which is like almost 1.5 hours after the session opened, after the New York Stock Exchange opens. But you know what? That's what's up. All right, there we go. So you saw me. I lost there. As transparent as I get, I show everything. And I'm still really up. But you saw me. Like, I'm calm. I'm not freaking out. Why? Because, man, I have been trading for 3.5 years. You feel me? This is not new shit, okay? This is not new shit. I'm super up from last week, all the previous months. Again, I don't remember when was the last time we had a losing week. It's only Tuesday, and losing is a part of trading. You have to understand. If you see a guru or a trader online telling you that they're not losing, they're not never losing a single trade, I'm sorry, man, they're lying to you. They're lying to you because losing is a part of the progress, because you have to make sure that your winners outweigh your losses. Okay, that's called the risk-reward ratio. And also knowing when to risk more, when to risk less. That's the key to trading success. But why am I showing my losses? Because I want to make sure that everybody is understanding, you behind the screen is understanding the reality of trading, because I don't want to be a guru who just shows only wins, okay? Because I want to show the reality. All right, but now I'm gonna go to the gym, hit some chest and shoulders, okay? And just, you know, chill day, calm day. You know, it's kind of cloudy out there, but I'm chilling. I think this week I might go and buy the freaking wireless mic, but I really don't know which microphone should I buy. But you know, let's just see something. Okay, I need to buy something because the AirPods or this mic is not good outside, so I have to buy a new one so I can produce these nice little vlogs for you. Okay, so you can become profitable. Yeah, but obviously you don't. If you want to learn the trading, then I have a free course in the description in the free Discord, okay, that you can get access completely for free. But yeah, man, now I'm gonna go outside and go to the gym. All right. So man, back at the gym, you know, like I told you, I'm about to hit some chest, and do y'all hear that, bro? Deadlifts. Yeah, about to hit some chest and, you know, push day. Okay, regardless, I'm gonna go to the gym, hit the workouts, and get in, get out. Okay, that's the name of the game. But yeah, bro, this is a sign for you. If you haven't locked in, you gotta lock in, bro, in every single aspect. Even though we lost today, man, do you see me crying, bro? Of course not. I'm not gonna let it affect my day because, you know, I've been trading for 3.5 years, like I told you. It's just normal, and as you saw, it is much more smaller compared to the winners. So we're chilling. I'm still so up from all the winners that we've been dealing with. But let's get it, guys. I'm gonna go hit the workout now. Yeah. All right, man, so that was a quick session, maybe like 40 minutes gym session. I mean, not that quick, decent, average. And now I'm gonna go home and eat some food, obviously, go to the shower, and you know how we do it. All right, out from the gym. But let me tell you something. You only have 2 options before this year ends. You're either gonna lock in or you're gonna continue doing the same things that you've been doing. What you've been doing. Getting out from school, from work, chilling, hanging out with your friends, playing video games, just, you know, relaxing, not feeling like doing anything. Or lock in, bro, lock in. When are you gonna take the action, bro? Like, I'm literally talking to you, bro. Like, you need to lock in. I'm 17. Even though I lost money today, you see me make money overall. You see me profitable. Come on, man, do it for yourself, okay? And look, man, I'm not telling you that you cannot have fun. I'm having plenty of fun, me chasing my goals. I'm having plenty of fun, you know, also hanging out with my friends. But when I schedule it, okay? You need to schedule your time. Appreciate your time. Work on your goals, and then you can chill. Then you can do whatever you want, okay? Because, I mean, you really need to know what you want, bro. What you want in this life, all right? You know, just me being honest. But yeah, that's what's up. Now I'm gonna go home, eat some food, go to the shower, and I'll update you guys. All right, man. So I came from the shower, and I'm about to eat some food now, and then I'm actually go to the nearby store, pick up a package, 2 books, 2 new books. Read some books, guys. Trust me. And it's currently about to be 9:30 p.m. in my country's time. I know I kind of skipped a little bit. But yeah, chill day. Tomorrow is CPI news day. Tomorrow we'll see am I gonna trade, because, you know, CPI days will fuck up the markets most definitely. But I'm gonna go eat now food, pick up the package, and I will update you. All right. My bad, bro. But you know what? I just came back home from the store. You know, I had a package, picked up 2 new books, and you know how it goes. Maybe I can reveal them one time, you know, one day. But we'll see, you know, we'll see how those books will, what kind of knowledge will they give me? Yeah. But, you know, it's supposed to be like 11 p.m. in my country. I know, sorry, man, if I'm like kind of skipping this, but, you know how it goes. But yeah, man, tomorrow is CPI days, like I told you. CPI is drastically gonna affect the markets. Most definitely, it's gonna most definitely have an impact to the markets, okay? Do not trade right before it. Do not trade right after it, okay? It's gonna be like 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. But we'll see, okay? We'll see. Am I gonna trade? But, you know, near future, I have to go buy the freaking microphone, because, you know, the microphone, the wireless mic, I mean, to at least check it out. But, you know, I'm gonna do a research, which one should I buy. I really want to buy the best one. I mean, a really good one, so it lasts, it's good quality for you. And yeah, okay, because, you know, I like, this is a nice little hobby. And yeah. But man, if you like this video, comment down below what you think about these kind of videos. Comment down below what you think. And if you made it this far, join the free Discord, free course, free community, and free lucky wheel every single day, daily spins. You can win good stuffs, man. But yeah, man, as usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.